Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Easter everybody watching this video. We just had some family and friends over. We just ate. Everyone's getting ready to leave. So you know what, I'm gonna come outside, do a little bit more work in the car. We have some really screwed up weather up here in New England. So it was sunny today. Of course it's cold. It's about 50, 60 degrees or 50 degrees. Cool breeze. A little while ago we had snow squall coming through. And now I look up and this is what we're looking at. Big clouds coming again on that side. And on this side, bright blue sky. You know, that's what we have to deal with around here. So, but I'm gonna get to work on the engine today a little bit. Maybe try to get my oil pressure part in, reattach the unit. Maybe get the distributor on, the throttle cable, the kickdown cable, connect all that. Maybe even connect the fuel pump line. Maybe get all that connected and go from there. All right, come back, check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day today out here. I'm gonna give you guys what's going on so far. I haven't done much to the car since Sunday. I had to order a harmonic balancer installer, which I don't have one. I probably could have made one, but so, you know, just so I can get the harmonic balancer back on, finish buttoning everything up. I got a new radiator going in. I gotta clean this area up, get some paint on it. I did buy paint for the headers, so I can get those painted up and just generally clean up the bay area, give it some color, a little bit of touch-up paint here and there, maybe sand this down, cover here, and paint that up a little bit. But what I really need to do today is clean my garage up, straighten it out. And as you can see, it is a disaster right now. It is a mess. So I gotta just straighten out the rest of my parts, what I need, put them aside. I'm probably going to set up one of those tables up there instead of having sawhorses and a piece of wood on a barrel, and you know, just set it up so I can work a little bit easier. But what I might do today, because the tool is not supposed to be here till, I don't know, whenever they decide to deliver it, I might actually start on the exhaust today, which I have right here. I have the two tailpipes, which go to a Monty SS, and over here I have the Y pipe splitter, which is right here behind that. I gotta connect that somehow. There's my new radiator that's going in. There's my mufflers, Flowmaster Flow Monsters. You know, new water pump sitting here ready to go. I do have a new alternator right there in the box. Got my pulley still to put on it, but as you can see, I have parts everywhere. I got a mess in here. Turn this light on. You know, I have the harmonic balancers there. There's the pulley to it right there. Over here, I mean, it's just a mess. And you know, I just got to clean it up, straighten it out, because I can't work this way, as sure as nobody else can. But I'll keep you updated later on, you know, once I get the exhaust started. I also might take a little shot at learning how to weld, because we just got this. This was at my shop in the basement, sitting there, not being used. It's you know, a home version welder, I guess. It's, you know, do-it-yourself mild welding, but from what I was told, it will weld exhaust pipe because it's a thin gauge steel. So I might actually try that. Who knows, maybe I'll learn how to weld for once. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll post another video later on and put it all together. Okay guys, the moment has arrived. Here it is. Harmonic balancer installer. We'll see how this is gonna go. Hopefully it goes good without snapping the shaft. Here we go. Get it started. Get this guy on here. Get it lined up at least for now. As far as it'll go. Okay. Alright. I have to get this started in here. Hopefully it works. Maybe not that side. This side. Not that. No, that side. One elbow. You can sort of like snapping now. I'm trying to go in and back out the torch. Okay. Can't go that far. I'll go until it stops, I guess. Yep, that's it. So now I'm going to back that off a little bit. Right there. Get this back off. Get that off. Get this back on. This way. Goes like that. It goes like that. And let's go back on here like so. Alright, now. Okay. Still to use a monkey wrench. That's what I'm going to use. You get better leverage this way, I guess. What they said. Yep. I'm gonna hold this side down while doing this. Assuming that's it. I hope that's it. And that's on as far as it's gonna go. See if I get another crank out of it. I don't think so. That's it, guys. Moving on. Success. I can put everything back together. May even get this bitch to start tomorrow. We'll see. You know what that means, right? Nice. Well, that was fun. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's on. So maybe tomorrow you actually hear the beast run. Go ahead and turn the key, but don't start it. You got power? Yeah. Go ahead and start pumping it. I mean, go ahead and just turn the key. Okay. Hold on. Start it. Pump it. Uh-oh. Go ahead, start it again. Pump it. Alright, do me a favor. When it starts, don't pump it. Once it starts. So go ahead. Start it. Now leave it alone. Okay. Start it. Okay. That's weird. Start it. Pump it. Okay. All right. Not sure if the floats are filling up. Go ahead, start it. Pump it. Now leave it. Okay. Let me get the adjustment. Go ahead. Start it. Pump it. Okay. Hold on. Let me check the timing. Go ahead, try to start it. Again. 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 Okay, hold it. Okay. All right, hold on. Try this. Go ahead. Hey, don't do nothing. Okay. All right. Let me see. Go ahead. Go ahead. Interesting. Again? Huh. Go ahead. Yeah, don't do nothing to it yet. All right, guys. I might have screwed up the carburetor, so I'm not sure. I'll get back to you. Stick around. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Little update on the Grand Prix. I do have it all together, up and running. Let's take a look. And everything's all together. New radiators in. If you can see it in there. No leaks, no nothing. And I do have an oil leak down near the oil pan, which I kind of knew. It was gonna leak anyways, but it's not too bad. It's like a couple drips here and there. My problem is I somewhat rebuilt the carburetor. I think I screwed something up. I don't know what, but it doesn't want to stay running. If you give it gas, kind of bogs out a little bit, and then if you close the choke, it will kind of run. I don't know what I did. I did order a new one, a remanned one. Cost about $300 or something, but because it's going to be about a week before I get it. Let me start this up so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about. Yeah. Give it a little fuel. Let's start right up though. I did try timing to see if it would change anything. It changed it a little bit, but not that much. But I think I screwed something up in the carburetor, in the choke. I'm not sure what. I don't know. Hopefully the reman one will fix that, but we'll see. Let's take a look again. If I turn the timing, just turn it a little bit that way. Still doesn't. Even if I go back this way. So that's my dilemma. I do have one thing I might put in. Let me see if I can find it over here. It is right here, which, get things out of the way here. There goes my iced coffee. Great. I believe this is a catch can. Evil Energy. That's the hose, hardware, with a little filter, and it is an oil catch can. There it is. So that goes in. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount it. Obviously, it's got to be over there where the PVC is, which is right there. And that goes right into the carb, right over there, which I got a T right now blocked off. So I might mount it maybe right about here, if possible. Not totally sure yet. I'm not sure if that's going to be solid enough, but it should be. Maybe run it right there and on lines, because I still have to be able to access it, you know, to drain it out. But we'll see how that goes. I'll put that in. And if you guys might think, you know, what's wrong with the carburetor, let me know in the comments below. I'll post this on some other sites or something. Maybe somebody can guide me in the right direction. I don't know what I did to it. Kind of pissed off because it rang great before I touched it. Because I touched it, and what happened was I took it apart. When I took the cap off, pieces went flying, and I'm like, well, I had to guess to see how it goes back together. I got it back together. It kind of fought me, I don't know if I tore a gasket or something, but I don't know. I got another one coming anyways, but I wish I was able to get it sooner, because I would have loved to go for a nice ride today. Another beautiful day here in New England. Look at this. I mean, look at this weather. Beautiful skies. You know, it's about 60, 65 degrees out. Nice night breeze. Would have been great to go for a nice ride in the Grand Prix, but till then, you know, I'm gonna wait to put the exhaust on, because I just want to make sure it is gonna run properly. And like I said, I might try to catch can. Maybe I'll post that later on with this video, or maybe I'll do that in the next video. But again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give me a like, share, let your friends know. Any comments below about anything, what you see I could change, please let me know. Catch you guys later.